Hey, what's going on, guys? Real quick, just mentioned that we could see that GBP pushed to 1240. Just caught that move from 1220 to 1240. Very good. Anyway, so let's go over this real quick. I'll make this quick. All right, so basically on this Euro USD, I'm going to save a lot of the hefty analysis for the Monday market breakdown. But if we're talking about day trading right now, we're stuck in this range. This looks really ugly. Let me pull out on the 4-hour. You'll see why we're here. Okay, this is a major level on the weekly and on the daily. Okay, so right now we're just sitting down here at these lows, and again, we could potentially hold this level. And then to pull back over, where we're at right now is a fall off on the 4-hour, right, to the downside. We retrace back up to the 50, push back down to that 23.6. And now basically, if we can maintain this level, we will see a push back up into the middle of this consolidation, potentially back up into that 38.2. Now that I don't know how soon that may happen, but we may be able to catch some pressure back up into that level during our session this morning, right? So pulling back over into the 30-minute, you'll notice that we are still stuck in somewhat of a smaller channel within that channel of consolidation, and I mean that by being here in this level. If we can break out of this level here, from the highs at $1.1050 to these lows here at $1.1014, we'll see ourselves push back up into these highs. There's a little bit of a zone here, high 10s, low 1s, low 11s, right? So right now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a breakout from not from 1040 to 1050. If I see it come to 1050, which I'm presuming it will come to 1050, okay, what I would then like to see is a retracement and then a break back up into the 1080s, 1090s. There's a lot of reasons why. One reason is I don't want my risk to be this entire structure here, right? If I don't ever get that retracement, if this market just zooms all the way up into this level and then breaks out, well, then that means my stops have to go below structure there, right? But I drew this line here because if I could push up into the 1050s, we rest and then we can break, well, that means that I could use that rest as my stop loss, and I can use this break as my entry, which will give me a better risk profile to push back up into these levels there. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for in the Euro. I'll make another video for the Aussie. Traders, let's follow up here with this Euro USD. Played out 100% as predicted. Really one of the best recorded trades I've done in a while. I got to start doing these in these morning rooms. We're getting trades like this really almost every week. So we came up into the high of that consolidation as mentioned. We pushed back down. Notice we pushed down back onto that level that I wanted the Euro to form a stop at. I didn't want my spread in terms of my stop to entry to be so wide. I wouldn't have been able to have a good risk reward ratio. So then I mentioned that, hey, look, if we can hold this level here at $1.40, we could then have a really nice stop to entry for us to get some really nice risk reward and push to the upside. But what happened even better was that this Euro USD formed a low here at $1.50. So literally our spreads from $1.55 all the way to $1.50, that's only a 5-pip spread, people, right? So you can put some serious size on that thing and then just let it roll. So you see that we already got our 3-to-1 risk reward ratio a long time ago. And we're up here 20 pips up. So that's literally a 40-to-1 risk reward ratio. I got out at a 3-to-1. So very, very successful trade. We had a lot of other people do really well. It broke out of the low of the range here at on this GBP USD. Held that low, that range. We broke out of that. Jayla caught that move. And we're looking to potentially break this trend line here on this 4-hour. We'll see what happens there. But we also got some other people in profit still on this GBP. GBP couldn't hold those highs, but we pushed back up. And then now we're sitting back at these highs here, right? So again, really successful trade there. Breakout trading. Working really well, guys. Perfect. Let's kill it.